Hello and welcome to the introduction to Android Studio. What is Android Studio? Android Studio is the official integrated development environment for Android app-based development. So if you want to develop Android-based applications, you need to use Android Studio. It is the official integrated development environment, also referred to as an IDE. Android Studio consists of a variety of tools integrated into it that you can use to build your Android-based applications. Some of the features that comes with the Android Studio includes the emulator. So Android has a fast and feature-rich emulator that enables you to simulate different types of devices to see how your app will behave inside them. Android Studio also has a flexible Gradle-based build system. This is what Android Studio uses to build your Android application. Android Studio also has a unified environment where you can develop for all Android devices. Also, it has an instant run. An instant run basically enables you to push changes to your running app without building a new APK. The instant run basically is very interesting. It has been recently introduced into the recent versions of Android Studio. What that does, it enables you to apply changes to your application while it is still running. So you don't need to stop the application to apply the changes. So you would not need to build a new APK. APK basically stands for Android Package Kit. This is the package file format used by the Android operating system for the distribution and installation of mobile apps. Android Studio also allows you to integrate your code with GitHub. So this way enables you to build common app features and also import samples of your code. Android Studio also has extensive testing tools and also frameworks that you can use in building your Android app. Android Studio also has built-in support for Google Cloud Platform, making it easy to integrate Google Cloud Messaging and App Engine. So this is basically what Android Studio does. The key thing to note is that Android Studio is the main tool or the only tool you need to develop and create Android-based applications. Thank you for watching and bye for now.